In this video, I will show you how to play media from pendrive on Android TV or how to play USB on Android Smart TV. So let's get started. First of all, you need to install two additional applications on your TV to play media from a pendrive or USB. So go to the Play Store and search for File Manager. Install any file manager from here. In my case, it is already installed, so you need to install it. After that, search for a media player. Here I am installing the VLC media player. This one is already installed on my TV. Once both of the applications are installed on your TV, you need to insert your USB or pendrive into your Android TV. As you can see here, my TV is detecting my pendrive. Now go to the plus icon here. Add your file manager and media player. After that, open the file manager and allow all the necessary permissions. Select your USB drive or pen drive here. This is how you can easily play any media from your pen drive or USB drive.